One thing I forget until I'm actually out here is how the quality of light changes everything. Beautiful day today. I'm out for a ride. Please join me. I'll pop in every now and then when I have something to say. So we're in southern Ontario, in Canada. We're about 90 minutes north of Toronto, just south of a town called Orangeville, and we just left a town called Bell Fountain. So, beautiful day. We're about to head out to the forks of the Credit Road, just about to turn onto there, which is well known for its scenery. But first I have to talk to the police, so I'm just going to bow out here and let this happen. Everything okay?
Yeah, we're doing a ride check. We're doing a ride check.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, any alcohol?
Oh,
No.
not at this time of day.
Okay. Any cannabis?
Zero. I
Okay.
don't do it.
Drive safe.
Okay, thank you. Okay, that was easy. No worries. Let's get back to the road. This area is known as Caledon in the larger region of Peel in Ontario, and it has a long history as an industrial centre. Had railways and roads all linking up to the nearby Credit River, and it's quite an active history, but most of that has faded away now, and we're just left with the roads and the legacy of this area. Okay, I'm just going to jump in here and talk about this segment here, because this is a very, very sharp hairpin turn that this road is known for. And I'm approaching this slowly, but I didn't quite do it right. I'm going a little bit too wide, and I'm creating a kind of interference for the guy driving up here. Thanks for slowing down. And that was a little bit hairy, but it's a 900-pound bike, and I've only been riding this for about a year, so I'm still trying to get used to it, and it's at times kind of a challenge. But we're back on the safe part of the road, and everything is looking just fine. Since I mentioned the weight of the bike a little while ago, maybe I'll tell you more about this bike. It's a GL 1800. It's a 2001 version, and I've had it for about a year. I think I'm the third owner, so I'm still dancing with it to find my rhythm, as they say, and it's really enjoyable on a beautiful day like this. And I really enjoy watching Gold Wing videos or motorcycle videos from other parts of the world, from England and the US and Australia. So I thought I'd share with you the landscape and the light from my neck of the woods, which is around here. So please enjoy. There's more to come. I should mention this road is very popular with motorcyclists. Here comes one, and another, and another, and another. So I think we're all out today for the same reason, to try to get in the last few rides before the season turns. So that's why I'm here today and why I wanted to show this. You'll notice coming up on the right there's a speed limit sign just past the intersection. We're just about to pass it. There it is, 40 kilometers an hour. If you're thinking about miles per hour, that's about 25 miles per hour. That's not very fast, but it's perfect for a road like this, and I have no need to go any faster. I just want to enjoy the breeze, feel the sunshine, and enjoy the day. It's not about speed. I'm sure you know what I mean. Now you might wonder, you might ask, if I enjoy going relatively slowly on these small roads, why am I driving an 1800cc motorcycle? Because it's pretty big and it's hard to manage sometimes, but I do really enjoy the solidity of it and the smoothness of the engine. It's not a rational decision that I can really defend, but I do like it, and I do have to go on bigger highways quite often, so it all balances out in the end. But what's true about a motorcycle is that it puts you in contact with your surroundings in a way that isn't available to you in a car. I think Robert Pirsig had it right when he wrote the following. In a car, you're always in a compartment, and because you're used to it, you don't realize that through that car window, everything you see is just more TV. You're a passive observer, and it's all moving by you boringly in a frame. On a cycle, the frame is gone. You're completely in contact with it all. You're in the scene, not just watching it anymore, and the sense of presence is overwhelming. That's from Zen and the Art of Motorcycle Maintenance. That's a book I recommend. Well, we're about to run out of Forks of the Credit Road here. We're approaching the end of the road. It stops at Highway 10, where you can go north up to Orangeville or south to Toronto, and it's a short, sweet ride, but enjoyed it immensely. And this is the near the end of the video now. I really hope you've enjoyed it, and there's many more to come. And if you enjoy these, please hit the thumbs up button and the subscribe button, like everybody else asks you to do, but it's really helpful. And I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll look forward to seeing you next time. Cheers.